Afternoon, Neil Robert Turner here, and in my workshop, and on the bench I've got a Telecaster which has been giving me a bit of a headache. It's nice, it's swamp ash body, maple neck, rosewood fretboard, jumbo frets, it's got belly contour and arm contour. It's nice. So last night I wired it all up, plugged it in, got ready to rock, and nothing, absolutely nothing. Could hear like some faint sound, and so I thought, panic attack. It's not like rocket science, is it? And so I started checking the wiring and the switch, if I'd wired the switch up right, and the parts and everything. I'd wound the pickups myself, so I measured the coils. The bridge was like 10.3 and the neck was 7.7 kilo ohms. So I thought, well, I'll pull there must be something wrong with the switch or something, I don't know. So I pulled the switch, the control plate out, and wired the pickup straight to the jack output. Plugged it in, nothing. I must admit it was quite late and I was a bit tired, as an excuse. And then girlfriend comes in the workshop, what I'm up to, and told her, and the first thing she says was, "Did you charge those magnets?" Forgot to charge the magnets, or at least check them. And when you buy these magnets, they're not charged. So I just forgot to charge. I made them quite a while back, and I just anyway. So I'm going to pull the pickups out, measure the pickups with a Gauss meter on the computer, and then charge them up, put them back in, and give it a go. So we'll get stuck into that. Right, we've got this little setup. It's a Gauss meter, which in effect is a Hall element in the tip of this wand, and it runs through this panel to the laptop, and you get this readout. And here it's in millitesla, and this B is the quantity for magnetic flux density. So if we just wave it around the laptop, we're getting 2.5 or something. And these are the pickups that came out of that Telecaster, and if I hold it perpendicular to the pole piece, you get about 3.5, 4, which basically means they're not charged. So that's that. And it's the same for this one. It's 5. I saw a 5 there. So, that's it. And like this screwdriver, if I hold it to the tip of the screwdriver, I'm actually getting a higher reading than from those pickups. Now to charge them, you just run them through between a couple of magnets with one side facing south and one side facing north. And so I'll run them through there once and then we'll measure them again and see how much they've charged up. Right, so I'm going to charge them up now. Remove the base plate and I'll run them through these magnets. So I want the polarity to be south up, so I'm going to run the side that I want to be south up along the north face. And I'll do the same with the neck pickup. Well, I've had them through twice now, and the first time they were measuring 16, around 16, and now we're on 33. And it's the same for this neck pickup. If I can hold it in place, it's the same. We're around 30 as well. A bit lower. It's not. It's just really difficult to hold this one properly. So that's really good. That I'm going to leave them like that, because where the string sits, just to have some comparison to something, if I just hold the one where the string sits, it's about 16, 15, and if I compare that to this Les Paul Jr., it's got a Seymour Duncan Antiquity pickup in it, and if I measure where the string sits, it's about 10 or no, it's about 15, 16. It's about the same. It's just really difficult to hold it properly when you're messing with the camera. I know this is a P90 and the magnets lay differently, but the strength of the magnetic field where the string is, you know, about 10. So if I measure mine, they're a bit higher. But we'll measure them again when it's in the guitar. So put that back. And so I'm going to put them back together now and put them back in the guitar.